Good morning, YouTube. It's Riding with Rick. Saturday, August 1st, 8 a.m., 75 degrees and sunny. Destination, World's End State Park, Pennsylvania. Let's ride. This is Riding with Rick. It takes a lot more to stop this motorcycle than what you're on.
Pulling right next to my pop.
You survived Fort Edward John?
I did.
Before you turn left here, let me turn the car. Oh!
Just like that.
Just like that, yeah. Good morning, YouTube. It's Riding with Rick, and I am on my way to World's End State Park. Never been. I certainly haven't been up there touring on a motorcycle, so today's the day. Of course, the morning is my favorite time to get out and ride, and sometimes getting out in the morning is a hard thing to do, and it's usually external things that prevent me from getting out when I want to. I'd planned this trip with my better half, but all of a sudden she started complaining of a upset stomach yesterday, and then this morning she determined that she wasn't going to go. So once I got past my guilt of getting out and riding all day, then I started saying, okay, well, let me zero in on going and, load the bike up, check. Don't forget your wallet, check. Forgot my Easy Pass, uncheck. Let's just take a look at the tire pressure. Rear tire pressure low. Take the gear off, fill the tire up, check. By the time I get going, it's an hour later. So I'm going to have to make up a little time here just so I can get back around like the 2 to 3, like 3 to 4. I told my better half I'd be home around like between 3 and 4, but in reality it won't be till like 6. All right, I made my way up to PA 901. This is where Pennsylvania really starts to open up into wilderness and mountains. When you get up in this neck of the woods, it's absolutely beautiful. And I think probably my most favorite time to ride is the fall, when all these, the fall colors come in. And the foliage just kind of gives you this like refreshing feel. It is absolutely beautiful, but I'll certainly take it on a nice summer day. It's about 9 a.m., 9:12 on the clock. 74 degrees. I actually stopped and put on another shirt underneath this Bond armor because I was just a little chilly. This is Pennsylvania Route 901, just outside of Cass Township, coming off the mountain. It's absolutely beautiful up in this neck of the woods. We'll be meandering through the mountain range dead ahead in front of me. Eventually. A lot of bikers are out today because rain is moving in and they're tracking a big tropical storm coming up the East Coast. So I think people are going to get out and get it done today. Isn't that gorgeous? A mix of like farmland and mountains, and I gotta say, it's why I kind of come up in this neck of the woods, because it's just It's beautiful riding. It really is. It's a lot of views, and generally speaking, you get up early enough, get out, you got the road to yourself. Let's see, I got a Florida license plate in front of me. I wonder where he's going. And I got a truck up here with a couple ATVs in the back. He's looking for some off-roading. And then behind that, you got another little truck with a dirt bike in the back. They're probably buddies. All right, I made it up to Route 54. I think I'll give a little shout out to Moto Mengi. It's a fellow moto vlogger who lives in the Pennsylvania area, and he does the same kind of videos that I do. You know, area attractions and rides and reviews and stuff like that. I think that he was depicting Route 54, which I've been on many, many, many times, and you can see why. Like, Route 54 is up in the Knoebels area, the big amusement park. If you're not familiar with it, it's a lot of fun. This is Weiser State Forest, I think it's called, something like that. But it is beautiful. I'm coming off the mountain here. The views are fantastic. It's really starting to get mountainous. Unfortunately, there's a lot of people out that have the same idea I do today. All right, I'm in Lycoming County right now. I'm probably 25 miles south of Williamsport. I'm off I-80. This is Route 220. It's just kind of follows up, meanders along a stream. I don't know what the stream is, but it's just a nice riding. It's 83 degrees at 11 o'clock in the morning. Coming through some little towns, and then it opens up and gets twisty. It's kind of building up an elevation. Isn't that gorgeous right there? That's beautiful. It's just the kind of riding I like to do. Okay, I've made my way into Sullivan County on Route 42. Making my way into Williamsport. I've never been on this road before, but typical, little mountain road. A little traffic in front of me, not too bad. Making a pass. Maybe I'll make a pass too, huh? Get it down. Oh, that's uncalled for. Okay, so I've officially entered Loyalsock State Forest, which is going to take me up into World's End State Park. It's like you get up in this neck of the woods, like state forests, or like one overlaps the other, it seems, and it's kind of hard. Like, this is all part of Ricketts Glen, which demographically speaking, I guess is like makes up several state forests. Sullivan County, kind of meandering through the woods. I mean, we're definitely up in the middle of nowhere, that's for sure. This is PA 3009, which is World's End Road. And I got about maybe 2 miles to go before I hit the main drag that goes through World's End State Park. It's beautiful up here. And not that I know this road, but it's a great motorcycle road. Fantastic. Okay, I've officially entered World's End State Park. I'm on World's End Road. My GPS is saying it's Double Run Road, but on a map it's World's End Road. World's End State Park is like really, it's not like way up on a mountain or anything, but definitely the elevation has increased from where I live. You know, I'm like 300 feet above sea level, so we're much higher up in elevation. About 79 degrees. Apparently storms are moving into the area later today in this area, so I want to be well on my way home before that happens. Okay. Alright, I've just left the confines of World's End State Park. I'm traveling along PA Route 154 in Sullivan County. It is absolutely beautiful up here. Going along some creek here that's to my left. I can't tell exactly what it is. It's really not even showing up on the map. But I'm going to run this out to Route 220. Just kind of sit back and take in the scenery. I really enjoy just kind of meandering through like state forests where, you know, it's open road and the trees. There's a little creek that I'm following. Looks like it's dammed up on this end here, but LaPorte Township. This is getting up towards like the Pennsylvania Grand Canyon, Route 6. I think it's called Mansfield. That's another part of the country. It's just shy of the New York border. That's just beautiful. Sullivan County, Lycoming County, Potter County. It's so different from, say, you get towards like Philadelphia cities. Alright, I'm going to run this road out for a little bit. And then probably take a little break, get some water. I'm a little thirsty. And maybe even get a little something to eat. What a novel idea. Alright, I'm on Pennsylvania 487 going southbound. It's off of Route 220, Lopez Village, I think, town of Lopez. It's a really nice motorcycle road. You get up in this neck of the road, or you get up in this neck of the world, there's really there's no bad road to get on. If you plan it out and you map it right, you're gonna just pick up really nice motorcycling. It's partly cloudy, it looks like. 78 degrees. Definitely cool enough to wear my Bond armor with just a t-shirt on underneath. Very comfortable. And I haven't stopped yet. Just to give you a little update on the Mustang seat. It's very comfortable. I think, I'm going to reiterate, it's not a soft, cushy seat, but it gives you a lot of support. And especially on the kind of riding I do, as you can see, like the roads are, they're not glass smooth roads. And if you don't have a firm seat, you're going to feel it by the end of the day. It's just a beautiful road here. Really, just get into the turns and twist out with the throttle. Lopez Winery. Interesting. Well, I'm definitely looking for a gas station at this point. I got about 100-mile range in the tank. And take a little break. Yeah, last stop I thought to myself, I need some water. But I haven't come across any yet. I'm coming out of I'm in Ricketts Glen State Park right now, PA 487 southbound. I highly recommend this road here, going through this state park. Absolutely stunning. I don't know if you can see off in the trees in front of me. I'm on a very steep decline coming out of this park. Well, I don't think that really I'm coming out of the park. That Ricketts Glen is huge. But
in 1 mile, prepare to turn left.
I'm going to pick up Pennsylvania 118. And I would imagine it will be going eastbound. All right.